Rossibytes.
Okay, so it's been a little while since I've recorded a video, but I came across a website today that I want to show you immediately. It's called picoapps.xyz. I didn't even know that that was a valid domain name, to be honest. But this website is absolutely amazing. It's a service that uses GPT-4 under the covers, and it essentially allows you to take basic text prompts of what you want an application to be, and it literally just creates the application in front of you. And not only does it create it right in front of you, but it also gives you a link that you can access it with in a browser on your computer or on your phone that you can share with people and show them as well. Check this out. So as you can see here on the homepage, there are a few samples of what this Pico service can do. And you can see that they have a few apps here, like a daily planner. Gives you some brief explanation of how it works. I just want to get in and show you right away. So I'm going to say get started for free, and then I'm going to click to log in with my Google account. And right off the bat, I am presented with a box where I can put in whatever text prompt I want to use. And so I've already prepared one that I'm going to try out here. So it can expand here. And you can see I want to do an e-commerce homepage with a header and footer section with a random logo and company name. The first piece of content should be a hero image with text overlay and call to action button. Under that, build a recommended products horizontal carousel with some sample products including their images. And you can see in the thin ribbon that the code is starting to type using GPT-4. And what's really awesome is they provide what looks like a mobile phone footprint, and you'll actually see the app develop in real time as the code is being created. That is just awesome to me. So we're going to let this run and we'll see the application build out. It'll be interesting to see what it comes up with for content. Okay, we see somewhat of a background color coming in. Okay, we see random logo, so I'm guessing they're going to use random logo as my logo. We have a home nav link. We have a shop nav link. And then we have a contact nav link. So next we should start seeing the hero image content be created. Okay, so it looks like it's going with electronics as a random theme here. And it's done the headline overlay text and then a subheadline text. And it looks like it's probably using Unsplash for random images related to electronics. It's created my call to action button. That is amazing. And then looks like it's starting to create my recommended products widget that I asked for. The horizontal carousel with some sample products including their images. So let's see if it gets that right. I'm just letting this thing run until it's finished. I'm assuming it'll stop bouncing around. And the reason why I think it's bouncing around like it is because it's using Unsplash to pull in random images related to electronics. So every time the screen refreshes here, it's pulling in a new image and it's causing a lot of bouncing effect in this video. And I'm not speeding any of this up, so I would not have been able to have coded this in this short amount of time, so I'm completely blown away by this. I'm not really crazy about the thin ribbon UI up at the top where the code is being typed, but that's what it is. Okay, so it looks like it's done now. And I notice I'm going to scroll down here. And I'm going to scroll in the app and check out this recommended product. So I see product 1, 490. Ooh, look, it slides horizontally. I got 3 sample products with prices and images. That is ridiculous. And I have my footer and my header. And I also see this live at National-Road. So I'm assuming they provide some free hosting here. So click on this link, paste it into a new browser window, and hit enter. What? The desktop version of my site, my new app. That is insane. And they have a code editor that you can look at the actual code that was written here. So you can go in and see what all makes up this application, and I'm assuming you can actually manipulate the code in real time here as well. They also have this iterate button, which I'm going to see what that does. So I'm going to click iterate. Okay, here we go. Iterate on this app. And so I'm going to type in here that I want to change the Shop Now button color to be green instead of blue. And then I'll click update. Oh, it looks like it's completely redoing the entire coding process again. So I will speed this one up. but it made my Shop Now button green. Amazing. Okay, so this one's done. The Shop Now button is green. Got my carousel. It's got 3 new products, 3 new prices. I'm going to go back out and check the desktop version of the site on the live link that they provide. My Shop Now button is green here. And finally, on my phone, if I use the link that Pico provided me on the app itself, which was the same link that we used in our browser test, but I load it on my phone, we can see that my application comes up on the phone. We have our random logo up top with our nav bar across the top as well. We have our hero image with the green Shop Now button. And then we have our recommended products widget that if we scroll horizontally, we can see that the product carousel is also working. And the other cool thing is if I rotate the phone, the app is responsive based on the orientation of my device. That is crazy. So I'm guessing with a paid plan, you can download these apps or you can host them on custom domains. I haven't looked at the pricing structure yet, though. One of the other things I want to try here is coming down into the code and finding the code for where it says contact. And I'm going to change it to contact us. And then I'm going to locate the code for the button and change it from green to red just to see if real-time updates reflect on the app as well. Holy mackerel. Look at that. I'm just going to discard my changes here. And I'm going to try changing that random logo name that it has to my name, Rossibytes. Yep, it changes it in the header. I want to put a space in there, though, because I don't like the way it looks side by side like that. There we go. PicoApps.xyz. Check it out. I don't know about you guys, but seeing stuff like that unfold right in front of your eyes when you're not actually a front-end UI UX developer just blows my mind. I'm sure the code isn't perfect. I'm sure there's places where this solution can improve, but I'm guessing that this is just one of the first iterations of this type of capability using AI, and in this case, using GPT-4. If you like this content and would like to see more of this content, please click like and subscribe, and I'll continue making videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.
Rossybytes.